children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, that is natural calamities. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different natural calamities, like we have earthquake, right? We have flood. What are these? These are the different natural calamities. So what is natural disaster? Something that happens due to sudden changes. So sudden changes in nature cause great damage and destruction. इन इवेंट्स को नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज या डिजास्टर्स कहते हैं. इससे क्या होता है? हैवी लॉस होता है लाइफ का भी और प्रॉपर्टी का, राइट. फर्स्ट इज फ्लड. ये मोस्ट कॉमन है, वाइड स्प्रेड है एवरी ईयर. जब रेनी सीजन आता है, राइट, ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन रिवर ओवरफ्लो हो जाती है, बाहरी पानी, बहुत ज्यादा पानी आ जाता है, एंड व्हाट हैपेंस एंड द एरियाज नियर बाय द रिवर्स वो फ्लड आ जाता है वहां पे, एंड दिस कैन कॉज लॉस ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल्स लाइफ एज वेल. ये किसको डैमेज करता है? क्रॉप्स को, एग्रीकल्चर को और प्रॉपर्टी को, राइट. इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री लाइक बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड असम, floods are regular occurrence and they may develop slowly or rise rapid. ये slowly develop करते हैं और rapidly rise करते हैं, but usually take a few days to reach their peak. और कभी कभी क्या होता है, कुछ ही टाइम लगता है और एक पीक पे पहुंच जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव साइक्लोन. They are giant wild winds of air, dense clouds spilling at over 150 km around a central eye of extreme low pressure. When a tropical depression develop, जब ट्रॉपिकल डिप्रेशन डेवलप हो जाता है एंड इट्स एसोसिएटेड विंड्स रीच गेल फोर्स, इट विल बी क्लासिफाइड एज ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन. एंड व्हाट इट विल बी गिवन, द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द एवरेज टाइप ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन इज 7 days. जो लाइफ साइकिल होती है ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन की वो 7 days होती है, लेकिन ये 3 weeks तक भी एक्सटेंड कर सकता है. कब? जब स्ट्रॉन्ग जो अर्जिनेट होती है सी से और ओशन से, उसको हम साइक्लोन कहते हैं. जो whirling winds moving at a speed of 700 km per hour destroy many houses and uproot large number of trees. It cause damage to the crop and electricity. बहुत बार क्या होता है, क्रॉप या फिर इलेक्ट्रिक लाइंस ये डैमेज हो जाती हैं एंड लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ सी वाटर also rush in coastal populated areas, bringing galloping flood. Many cattle and human beings, बहुत सारे cattle और human beings they die due to this. Next is volcano, cone shaped होता है, you can see like this, and it contains central vent underlying the top crater of the volcano. It is an opening exposed on the earth's surface where volcanic material is emitted. जहाँ से क्या होता है, volcanic जो material है वो emit होता है, right? उसमें आपके fire, gas, lava, which is the molten matter, stone and dust. When the pressure increases, जैसे ही pressure increase होता है, they make their own outlet to the surface of the earth. And the gases also comes out through it. When a volcano erupts, people residing in nearby areas, क्या होते हैं, red hot lava के contact में आ जाते हैं and they burn to death. The cattle, plants and most of the other things also get destroyed due to the burning heat of lava. Then we have earthquake. Earthquake क्या है? Frequent than the other kind of natural disaster. An earthquake is a sudden, sometimes violent, movement of the earth's surface from the release of energy in the earth crust. The crust of the earth, when it is subjected to tectonic forces, bends slightly, but because crust is rigid, the pressure exceeds the strength of the rocks and the crust broke and shapes into new position. Vibrations called seismic waves are generated and travel both through earth along its surface. These seismic waves cause movement and we call it earthquake. ये जो seismic waves हैं ये क्या cause करती हैं? Movement, और जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Earthquake. The study of earthquake is seismology. जो study होती है earthquake की उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Seismology कहते हैं. And the instrument which is used to measure intensity of the earthquake is called seismograph. Reading of seismometer are interpreted with the help of it. हम किससे करते हैं? Intensity को किससे नापते हैं? That is Richter scale. When it is 5 or more than, मतलब 5 से ज़्यादा है तो high है, and it turns bridges, skyscrapers into lump of the hue in the factories. Thousands of people die and thousands are injured and many more are left homeless. Tsunami is often the result of the earthquake. और जो tsunami है वो किसका result है? Earthquake का. Next is drought, मतलब सूखा पड़ जाना. It is the condition related to water. If enough rain does not occur every year in a particular area, It leads to drought condition. कैसी condition आ जाती है drought की? Sometimes proper rains do not take place, resulting in either less or no cultivation ground. इससे famine आ जाता है and many regions are affected and people, what do they face? Starvation. In some location of the country, few rain-free weeks can spread a panic. और वो crop को भी affect करते हैं and crops and livestock dead and some areas become desert. Due to drought, people die and there is no food to eat and no water to. ना तो कोई food होता है खाने के लिए और ना ही कोई water होता है drink करने के लिए. Now long-term effects. So research suggests that long-term difficulties following a natural disaster are most likely to be seen among the children who experienced any of the following. Means hard threats to their physical safety. Though they might die during disaster, they were upset during the disaster, lost their belongings or houses, और वो homeless हो जाते हैं, had to relocate, attend schools following the disaster, had multiple schedule changes, take a double sessions हो जाते हैं, lot of time. Right now, help during the natural disaster. If the person is trapped, अगर कोई person trapped हो गया, right, what you will do? Inside the house during earthquake, help him or her to come out safely. For those who are hurt or injured, we must arrange quick medical treatment. First aid also given to the people. We can collect money, food, clothes, medicine and other essential facilities for the victim. We should visit the affected area and help in rescue and relief program. आप वो किसमें help करता है? Rescue और relief program में. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.